started back in 2019. And it was just a bit of fun at the time. Like, I seen loads of people doing like transition videos, and I thought, you know, that's something that I would like to do. After that, then lockdown came along. I had loads of times on my hand, and I just started doing like loads of videos each day. And then after that, gained a bit of following, a few views, and all that. Not bad, like. I am working with Golly Slater today, who work a lot with the Welsh Government to like help young children get into work and training and stuff like that. So we're here today now to chat with some young people. And just to see what they want to do with their futures and if they know about this programme and like how this programme can help them out.
Do you ever feel scared about what people think, like, the stuff like you post?
So when I started TikTok, obviously, like, when you get into stuff like that, it's quite scary, like, because it's like you're putting yourself out there, so it's like you're a bit vulnerable. But it's like, with my TikTok, to be fair, I haven't like had any negativity through it. Like, you'll probably have like one negative comment now and then, but it's like when you like consider all the positive stuff that are coming through, I just like to focus mostly on that.